This fish about to be loud.
I'm very curious.
Not bad, not bad. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a little step back from the Evo 8 build and we're gonna be working on rows. You ready for this?
I'm very ready.
So Jared's been wanting this car louder ever since he got it. We were looking into a Tomei system, which is pretty freaking loud. ETS has a system. They're both very expensive. So Jared has decided to straight pipe his car today. And this thing's gonna be freaking loud. But it should sound pretty good, I think.
I thought it was just for a rattle or something.
Oh no, remember we're doing the muffler delete? All right, now blow through and tell me how quiet it gets. All right, let's see what happens. Fired up. Straight pipe boys. First cold start for the boys. Ooh. That sounds good. That's loud.
That is loud.
Come listen to it.
Shit. That is so much louder.
Too loud?
No, I like it.
All right, sick.
I dig it.
It's not terrible in here. Oh God, the freaking ricer pops, bro.
The ricer pops. It's not too bad in here.
No, it's not bad at all.
Yeah, it's.
We got to do a little outside clip. That was loud.
That sounded loud.
That sounds good.
No, I don't give a shit.
How was it? Loud?
Dude, that sounds loud. It sounds good. I like it.
Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of the straight piped Evo. It was a couple $100. Jared's never been in the 8 when it's on the 85, making like 500 wheel. And I think that's kind of his end goal with the 10, with his car, is to make it around like 500 wheel later on down the road. So I want to pull it out real quick, get her warmed up, and go for a little drive while we still have the car, so he can get a rough idea of what it feels like. So it's not E85, it's actually E74 that we got right now.
Close enough. It's probably still, what was it making on the 85?
505.
Still gonna be fast as fuck. Just spinning, bro. Was that second?
That was second, yeah.
You're just spinning in second.
That was fun.
You didn't hook up at all.
That was fun.
Yeah,
How'd it feel?
I dig it.
Felt like a ripper?
Feels like a ripper, but it didn't even grab, like, I didn't get the full ripper effect because it didn't hook. But I can tell it's fucking fast. Oh man.
That's what I love, dude. It pulls like from bottom to top.
Yeah.
Just all around. Oh, really?
Oh yeah. It's just, dude, it just doesn't. It's like a rear-wheel drive car.
I know.
What the fuck? Oh man. That's awesome. Oh yeah. Yep.
Does it feel like 500?
Yep. Oh, I love that.
You should set your car up like this.
Yeah.
Or it makes good power down low.
Bro, that'd be perfect.
Like, very quick, spooling 500.
Yeah.
So fun. Even like 400 is fun.
Yep. Oh man, it's just that much better with the 85.
Yeah. That's slow.
Dude, even on pump, it's amazing.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh man. Oh man, yeah.
See, 500 in this feels way different than 500 on the 10.
It does. Because the 10, it's like nothing, 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 boom! Yeah, it's definitely, it's way different. It's crazy how much different the same power numbers can feel in different cars.
All right, my friends, that is gonna be a wrap for today. I know we didn't do anything crazy, but Jared's car now sounds sick. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. It's always a good way to make your car a little bit louder, quite a bit louder, a lot louder, without spending a ton of money. It was, I think, $200 for everything. So we bought the tips and the flange online, then we just went to an exhaust shop and they did the rest. Peace out, I'll see you tomorrow.